Welcome to First Try DIY. Today we're going to unbox and test hard drive enclosure. This one's an Orico 2.5 inches hard disk drive enclosure, which I bought in Shopee. Okay, so let's see what's inside the box. Alright, it's 2.5 inches hard drive enclosure, colored white with hexagonal shapes, and the texture is very nice. Included in the box is one USB 3.0 cable, as well as the warranty card and the user manual. Now what we're going to do is show you how to install the hard disk drive inside the enclosure. Okay, so to open it, you just need to slide it up, and it slides up, and then you can remove the enclosure cover. Inside it is like a two-sided tape where you can secure the hard drive inside if it doesn't fit. Now just make sure that you connect or orient the hard drive in the right position so that the data and the power ports are aligned, and then you just need to slide it up. Make sure it's firmly pushed in, and then push up the cover again to secure it and to close the hard drive enclosure. Okay, so we're done. What we're going to do next is to test the hard drive with the double-sided tape. If it's firmly secure inside and it's not shaking inside, it's not you don't need to use it. So it's really up to you. Now let's check the cable. More or less, this is at least 10 inches long, and okay, let's check if it fits properly in the USB port. It's tight and snug. Okay, this time we're going to test the hard drive enclosure and check if it's really going to transfer files up to 5 gigabits per second, as is advertised on the box itself and on their website. So let's see. I'm going to use my laptop and try to use the side USB ports. Let's see. It's weird that you have to do it twice when you plug in a USB port. The first time doesn't work each time. Okay, let's see. Hopefully it gets detected by the computer. It seems it's not being detected. We might need to try a different port, or it could just be that the hard drive is still initializing. I'm not really sure, but let's find out. If it still doesn't get detected, we'll have to use the other side of the laptop. I have 2 more USB ports on the right side of the laptop. Let's try those 2 ports, and hopefully I don't get to return this item. Let's see. By the way, I bought this item because I just recently replaced my hard drive. I replaced the old hard drive with a solid state drive. Stay tuned and subscribe to my channel so that I'll show you next time how I upgraded my old laptop hard drive to an SSD. Okay, it's still not working. Let's see. I'll try the other side of the laptop. I have two more USB ports on the right side. Let's check. Hopefully this time it'll get detected by the computer. There you go. Probably there's something wrong with the first USB port that I tried it with, because this time it's working fine. The read light is blinking on the actual hard drive enclosure. It signifies that there's activity going on. And then let's see. So it detected my old hard drive from my old laptop. Okay, now we're going to test the transfer rate. As it says on the box, it can support 5 gigabits per second, but as you can see, the transfer rate is 31 megabytes per second. So I'm not sure why it's not transferring at the advertised speed, although it might also be affected by the speed of the drive that you're transferring to, but I'm not really sure why it's this speed that's showing up. Although this speed is quite fast. As you can see, I'm transferring almost 16 gig of data, and it's going to take us at least 8 minutes to finish. Okay, let's try another file. Okay, this time I'm transferring documents, and it still seems it's transferring at the same average speed of 30 megabytes per second. Although this time the file is smaller, just 8 gigabytes. Don't worry guys, I'll research more about why it's not transferring at 5 gigabits per second. Also, I remembered probably my USB port is just USB 2.0, so it's probably just the max of the 2.0 USB port. But I'll find out next time. There you have it, folks. Thank you. If this video has helped you, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.